Want to know what you need to do before an appraisal on your property? If you're thinking of selling a home in 2026, here's some proactive action you can take before you go into escrow and before the buyer will have their appraiser go out there and appraise the property. Number one, make sure your water heater is braced or strapped correctly. This is essential in California. Number two, make sure you have smoke detectors in every room that are working. Number three, make sure you have a carbon monoxide detector in the main hallway. If your property is multi-level, it needs to have a carbon monoxide detector at each level. Number three, make sure if you have a pool or spa that it's actually ultimately doesn't have any green, that doesn't have any broken things in them. Make sure that you don't have any broken windows or broken shingles in your roof. To find out more, DM me.